In this video lesson, I will show you a lot size calculator for the HK50 indices, and you will also have a link below in the description. The article will explain a little bit more details about this lot size calculator, and also will show you an example how to calculate the lot based on the risk and also a stop loss equal to number of pips. One thing to remember, and that is here a note that HK50, the contract size defined as a one lot equal to 1 unit. But have in mind that this lot size is always defined by the broker. You need to check that with your broker. I will explain this a little bit later. Let me show you a little bit more details about the fields here in the lot size calculator that you will use. First field is the instrument. I have put HK50. If you would like to change that to any other, you can simply change with the drop down menu. You have a deposit currency. I have set this to US dollar, and that means my trading account is set to US dollar. If you would like to make the calculation with any other currency, you can simply change that here with the drop down menu. Then you have here two fields. First one is open price and the second one is stop loss price. If you would like to use the price from the market instead of the pips, you can use this one option. But if you are using, for example, a number of pips for the stop loss, simply go here and click here switch to the stop loss. This will offer you two more options, and that first one is a stop loss in the number of pips. I will use 100 pips as a stop loss, and the account balance that will be used to calculate the risk. So here example, I will use $10,000 because my account is set to $10,000. Here it is, HK50 1 pip size that tells you where is 1 pip located in the market price. It is set to second decimal point. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 18001.00. The second decimal point where the 0 is the place where the pip is. So when this number changes by 1, it means it has changed by 1 pip. So here it is the field where you define the risk in this trade. I will put 1%, but you can also change to the deposit currency, which means you can put here $100 as your risk, which will be also 1%, but you can put any number here. I will return to the percentage because I like to use this one. Then we have here USD Hong Kong price. This price is additional variable that the calculator uses for the current market price to calculate the money at risk by the deposit currency. And the reason is because HK50 doesn't have US in it, and a US dollar is needed with the Hong Kong as additional price in calculations. Then click calculate, and you get here a question mark that tells you, first of all, you need to define what is the contract size for the HK50 with your broker. Remember that each broker has defined a contract size for one lot, and in this case it is set to 1, but you can change to any number here. How to know what is the contract size units per lot with your broker? Simply go here in the trading platform, click the market watch, and with HK50 click the right mouse button. Here you have a specification, click it, and you will get here a new window where the contract size defined by 1. Remember that each broker has different contract size, so it could be that your broker has 1 or any number, but you need to have this number. If you do not have this one here inside the trading platform, contact your broker to give you a specification sheet for the HK50 indices. So it is set to 1, this is great, click calculate. And you can see that I should use 784.367 lots in this trade to if I would like to open a new trade with 1% of risk. So if you would like to use that, simply go here, open new order. I will put here 784, but you can see I have a problem. I cannot move forward because there is a problem, and the problem is because I have too large lot size. When you go here again to the specification sheet, you will have information that the maximum volume I can use is 250. So this means I cannot open the trade with these details. The maximum volume I can use is 250. So this means let's change to the stop loss that will be equal to 1000 pips. Now I need to open an order with 78 lots. Let's open this order. This will be okay, 78.44. remember 78.44. Let's see what this is. Hong Kong, let's see what is the minimum volume. Just a minute. Specification, and the minimum volume is 1. Okay, and the maximum volume is 250. Volume step is 1. Okay, this is the problem. So we cannot use 78.43. We need to round this number to 78 or 79. I will use 78. This is the problem, 78. Okay, let's open pending order. It will be by limit. For example, at the market price, which is at 7. At the market price 1795, for example, 1795. The stop loss should be 1000 pips, which means this should be 17940, and the take profit, let's also take 1000 pips, 17960, and click open. Sorry, place. Let's remove this one, and here is the trade. So we should get a trade open with 100 pips stop loss with $100, and here you can see that this stop loss is set to minus 99.45, which means 1000 pips, and you can see it is slightly different from $100 because I have rounded this lot size inside the trading platform. So it is slightly different, but it is good enough to make the calculation. You can see that before opening an order, if you have defined a stop loss in the number of pips, you can also define the lot size before opening order just to be in line with the risk that you are willing to take with this trade. If you have any questions regarding this lot size calculator, feel free to ask and leave a comment, and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading!